Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to compare Coolify versus Dokploy, two really interesting self-hosting platforms that developers are using to manage and deploy their apps. Let's start with Coolify. Coolify is often described as a self-hosted Heroku alternative. It's built to give you that smooth deployment experience without relying on third-party cloud providers. You can run it on your own VPS, your home server, or even on bare metal. It supports multiple languages and frameworks like Node, JS, Python, PHP, Go, and more. Plus, it integrates easily with GitHub and GitLab, so whenever you push code, it can auto-deploy to your server. Another cool thing is that it manages databases, services, and SSL certificates for you. So instead of juggling Docker commands manually, Coolify handles containers behind the scenes and gives you a nice UI to manage everything. The main idea is simplicity with freedom, basically your apps, your server, your control. Now let's move to Dokploy. Dokploy is also a self-hosted deployment platform, but its focus is a little different. It leans heavily into being an open-source PaaS that's designed to scale. Dokploy gives you features like multi-tenant support, CI/CD pipelines, and a very structured way to manage teams and applications. It's built for those who want more enterprise-style features while still keeping the setup self-hosted. It also integrates with Git, manages Docker containers, databases, domains, and certificates just like Coolify. But Dokploy places more emphasis on structured workflows, scaling across multiple servers, and giving you flexibility if you want to build something bigger, almost like a private cloud. So that's the breakdown of Coolify versus Dokploy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which one you'd pick for your projects.